Hey guys, Adam here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a little recap of Friday's workout. I'm going to try and do it in one take without any edits. As many of you know, I incorporate the Olympic lifts as much as I can into my training, and I think everybody should, at least in some point in their lifting career. They're a great way to maintain that dynamic strength. So I hit some power snatch first, and this was done on probably the first time in about a month that I've done this lift, and my timing was off a little bit, but I did okay. So I did 5 working singles with 165 and tried to move the bar as fast as I could. And after that, I went on to some flat bench, close grip bench to be exact, with doubled mini reds. And I don't use dumbbells to attach my bands. I used to, but it's just a pain in the ass to try and keep the dumbbells from moving. So about 15 years ago, I started attaching them to the bottom of the bench and just pulling the band around. And it works great. It maintains the tension throughout the whole lift. You don't have to worry about getting slack in the band. And I did 4 sets of 5 with 225. I wanted to go heavier. This felt really good today. But I had no spot. With the restrictions on, I'm the only person in the gym, and I do not want to get stuck in a bench situation with bands because you can't dump it. But 225 moved well, and with the bands attached the way they are, there's probably 60 to 70 pounds of weight at the top of the lift. And with the way the bands are attached, as soon as you unrack the weight, it wants to push down on you. So it's a great way to incorporate your bands. Now this here is sort of the highlight of the lift, and other than doing calf raises, I do not use the Smith machine for anything else except for this lift. And these are incline bench throws. I do them flat bench as well, and I have 35s on here. And I really try and hit the top of the rack. And with the 25s, I can smack the top of that rack pretty easy. So I did 3 to 4 sets of max reps, and basically until the point where it became no longer explosive. I get my whole body involved. And where my feet are, it's almost like a Larson press in a way, because I can't really incorporate any leg drive, despite this being an explosive lift. But it has worked very well for me over the years for stone putting and for improving, how fast you move the bar in bench. I do it both ways, where you saw previously with the soft catch and quick release. And this here is from a dead stop. So these here are the 25-pound bumpers. And again, just working on moving that bar off my chest as fast as I can. And and that was the extent of that workout. So give these bench throws a try if you want to try something fun and new for your bench press. And as always, subscribe to this channel. Any comments, leave them below. And with that, stay tuned for episode 98 of The Ways.